Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Dr. Ghosh and I'm here today with another inspirational story for all of you. For those of you who are new to the channel or are coming here for the first time, the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant is formed in 2016 on Facebook, where we have about 750 people today, about 127 people on WhatsApp, and about 82 people on YouTube. The channel is formed primarily with the objective of sharing daily inspiration and sharing with you stories of mankind at its very best. This is to inspire and motivate you to put your best foot forward. Before we go on to my inspirational story, could I request you to please subscribe to the channel? And for those who are already my subscribers, thank you. You keep me going and motivated. The person I'm talking to you today about is Murugan S., an ordinary Indian with extraordinary dreams and dedication. Before I share with you as to why Murugan is an extraordinary Indian, let me share with you some statistics. If you are watching this channel, you are privileged. Do you know, if you have a roof on your head, food on your table 3 times a day for your 3 square meals, and a bit of change in your pocket, you are among the privileged lot in society. In the census by the Government of India in 2011, which is 9 years hence, it was found that in India we have 1.77 million homeless people in our country. While there are a lot of orphanages, but homeless shelters is an area where we are severely lacking behind. There are some temporary shelters with temporary accommodation, but much needs to be done by private citizens and the government in the area of support for the homeless. Here is where Murugan S. steps in. He is an auto rickshaw driver in the city of Kochi, and he has founded Thiruvoram a non-profit organization to rehabilitate people living on the streets. This he has been doing without financial support from the government or donations for many years. The founder, Murugan S., and his association, Tiruvora Pravartaka Association, has rescued over 9,000 homeless people to date and provided them with food, education and medical assistance. He takes on homeless children, elderly, ailing people and let them live with dignity. He runs an auto rickshaw. Prior to that, before buying the auto rickshaw, he used to do multiple casual labor jobs to ensure that he's able to take care of the homeless people. He has gone so far as to clean sewer lines in his efforts to feed the homeless people His wife Indu R, who is a MBA graduate, left her highly paying job and joined Murugan in his mission of providing home for the homeless and letting them live a life of dignity. Together, like I said earlier, they have made a difference to 9,000 lives. The inspiration for Murugan was that he himself was a homeless boy and he was saved by brother Mavuris and put in the Don Bosco Sneha Bhavan for 9 years, where he spent his life. Thereafter, Murugan worked for the child line at Kochi and realized that while there are multiple orphanages across the country and state, there are hardly any institutes offering shelter for the homeless. He made this his life mission at the age of 16 when he had no income and dedicated himself to providing a life of dignity to the homeless, children, elders, and the ailing. It is not that his efforts have gone totally unrecognized. In 2012, he won the National Award for Child Welfare, which was given to him by the President of India, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. The Times now awarded him with the Amazing Indian in 2016. This was given by the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. He has pooled all his prize money and bought 4,000 square feet of land in Alappuzha in Kerala. However, he is facing a difficulty in building the structure because even now he is working as an auto rickshaw wala in order to support the children, the elders and the ailing who he has taken on. He has tied up with Milap, a crowdfunding platform, to help him garner the funds for building his home for the homeless. Friends, it is truly inspirational to hear about such individuals and couples who are going all out to make a difference to society, who have not dedicated themselves only to the task of winning the rat race and making a comfortable life for themselves and their children. It takes a mindset of total service to humanity and God, dedication, hard work, ability to overcome multiple obstacles, face the difficulties in order to make a difference, like Murugan and his wife Indu are making to the homeless. Friends, I request those of you who are seeing this video, if you could spare a minute of your time and perhaps think about how you could make a difference to society. Not all of us can make a difference to 9,000 people as Murugan and his wife Indu have done. But can we start small and start with one person? Can we each of us make one person as the receiver of our kindness? The single act of kindness can be passed on. It will make a difference today or tomorrow. Do not think that you are only a single person and just by helping a single person you will not make a difference. You never know where the ripples of kindness end up and what changes they bring about to in society. Friends, if you like my inspirational stories, I request you once again, please do subscribe to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the message of bringing about a difference in society through the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best, stay safe in these COVID times. God bless, all the best, let's make a difference.